Yo, just on my daily walk. So hot right now. Definitely need to stay hydrated in this heat. I don't know if you heard the news recently, but we've been having record-breaking, scorching consecutive days. Over 115 degrees recently. And you've probably heard the conventional recommendation of drinking 8 glasses of water per day to stay hydrated. You've probably also seen this trend of people literally chugging gallons of water daily. I don't know, I haven't seen any science to back up that recommendation. Most importantly, the suggestion is missing a key piece of information. The ability to stay hydrated lies in more than just drinking water, and only water. If you've ever tasted your own sweat, either by accident, because you were sweating too much, or you just love licking your own skin, whatever you're into, this is a judgment-free zone. You've probably noticed that it's salty, right? That's sodium. Sodium, believe it or not, is an electrolyte. It's a mineral with many purposes in the body, one of which is to regulate fluid balance, which is important for hydration. Deficiencies in sodium can cause headaches, muscle cramps, fatigue, and even insomnia. And sodium is not the only electrolyte that is important for hydration. There's also potassium and magnesium. Deficiencies in either of these electrolytes can cause headaches, low energy, and muscle cramps. And when you sweat, you're not only excreting fluids, but you're also excreting the electrolytes. Same goes for when you pee. So when you drink water to replenish those fluids lost by sweat or pee, you also need to replenish those electrolytes. Otherwise, you're just depleting your body of the electrolytes. Now, obviously there are sports drinks out there. If you're gonna go that route, please read the nutrition facts. A lot of them don't actually contain a lot of nutrition. They're just facts. Make note of the values for sodium, potassium, and magnesium, and also the sugar. These drinks are mostly sugar, which is not an electrolyte. When I get back from my walk, I'm gonna show you 5 easy recipes, what I drink to stay hydrated.
Everything I used, all the ingredients will be linked below in my Amazon storefront. First up is citrus salt. Here's what you're gonna need. 1 cup of filtered water, 1 cup of organic coconut water, the juice of 1 lemon, the juice of 1 lime, 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Next up is cucumber lime. To a blender, add 1 cup of filtered water, 2 cups of organic coconut water, the juice of 2 limes, 1 medium organic cucumber. I left the skin on for extra fiber because it helps you poop, but you can peel yours if you don't like to. 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt, 1 dropper of stevia leaf. Now blend, pour, and you're done. The next recipe is strawberry lemon. To a blender, add 1 cup of filtered water, 1 cup of organic coconut water, the juice of 1 lemon, 1 cup of organic strawberries, 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt, 1 dropper of stevia leaf, or your natural sweetener of choice. Now blend, pour, and it's ready. Next up is watermelon mint. To your blender, add without spilling 2 cups of coconut water, the juice of 1 lime, 2 cups of organic watermelon cubed and without the seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt, and a handful of organic mint leaves. And that's it. You know what to do next. Last but not least, this electrolyte water comes together fairly quickly in your container. Just add 3 cups of filtered water, or less depending on your taste, 1 scoop of electrolyte powder, and mix to combine. And that's it. Link to the full recipes and all ingredients will be linked below. It's time for my favorite part, the taste test. So, let's start from here. This is the lemon lime coconut water. Let's see. Definitely taste the lemon and lime. Maple syrup. That's good. Moving along. Second one, cucumber lime, stevia. This one's my favorite so far. The saying, cool as a cucumber, definitely comes to mind. It's very refreshing. Very good. Alright, I'm just gonna go for it. This is the berry, so the strawberries. That's nice. Definitely taste the strawberries on that one. So far it's between these two, but I have a feeling watermelon is gonna be a contender. Watermelon, mint, lime. This is like summer in a bottle. That's nice. Mint, very refreshing. Watermelon. Can't go wrong with watermelon. So far, this is definitely my favorite. Between the watermelon and the strawberry. Dang, that's hard. So good. Oh, it's hard. And then we have electrolytes in water, raspberry lemon flavor. Can't go wrong. All very good options. It's hard to say which one's my favorite. It's a tie. I think it's a tie between the strawberry and the watermelon. Watermelon, mint, lime. But try them for yourself. Let me know what you think if you try them. Tag me, leave a comment below. You have 5 easy ways to stay hydrated, so you have no excuse. No excuses now. All right, see you in the next video. I'm gonna take this one. Is that gross? Is that gross? I'm the only one drinking this, so I think it's fine. Strawberry, man. The mint. Let me go back over here. This one was good. Cucumber. It's really hard.